Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show how to manage Citrix Cloud Management Console. So once you log into Citrix Cloud Management Console, the very first thing that you see is library or library offerings. So we are going to discuss about library in this particular video. So let me go to the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, Citrix Cloud Management Console library. You can assign resources or other items that you configure in a service to your Active Directory users and groups using the library. Offerings might consist of applications, desktops, data shares, and web apps that you create through a Citrix service. The library displays all your offerings in a single view. Okay, so if you want to assign applications or desktops or data shares or web apps to users or some user groups, it would show all those details in the library. So if you would like to find out what are the applications that have been assigned to users, or what are the desktops that have been assigned to users or the groups, library is the best place to find out all these details. So let me go to the next slide. Okay, if you see here, you see all the applications or desktops. You see desktops and apps, app pubs. So these are all the applications or desktops which are reflecting in the library. So let me go to the next slide. If you see here, desktops and apps is used by 4 subscribers. There are 4 people who subscribe to this particular service. Okay, and there is one subscriber to this particular application. If you see here, there is one subscriber is a user. Subscriber means a user. One subscriber for this app pubs, and there are no subscribers for these applications. So let me go to the next slide. Okay, view offering details to view applications, desktops, policies, and any other related offering information. Click the arrow on the offering card. Okay, so in order to view applications, desktops, policies, and any other related information, you need to click on the arrow. So you see this, you see arrow here, you see arrow here, you see arrow here. You need to click on this to find more details like policies, applications, and other related information. You can find it after clicking the arrow here. Okay, so let me go to the next slide. So you can add or remove subscribers to manage users or groups from a single offering. Click manage subscribers from the offering cards menu. So you can manage subscribers. Actually, you can add subscribers, you can remove subscribers from this console. So let me go to the next slide. I'll show. So if you see here, for this particular service or application, you have 4 subscribers. So if you would like to manage these subscribers, you have to just click on these 3 little dots and click on manage subscribers. So once you do that, you can add or you can remove the subscribers from there. Okay, so let me go to the next slide. So to manage subscribers for multiple offerings, select the check mark on each offering and then click manage subscribers. So if you want to manage subscribers for multiple offerings, you need to do check mark here, and also check mark here. So and click on manage subscribers so that you can manage the users or the subscribers for all these services or applications. Okay, so let us go to the next slide. By default, library displays all offerings. To quickly view offerings for a specific service, select that filter for that particular service. So in Citrix Cloud, we have multiple services. So if you want to sort, if you want to filter according to a particular service, so let's say in this particular scenario, you would like to find out the details for only virtual apps and desktop. So what you can do is click the drop down box and select virtual apps and desktop, so that it would show only the details for the virtual apps and desktops. You see 4 subscribers, 1 subscriber, and 1 subscriber. Okay, so you can also search for any user or group that is currently subscribed to an offering in the library. Citrix Cloud displays only the offerings that pertain to the user or group you select. To see all offerings for all users, click the X to clear the filter. So if you see X here, if you click on it, it is going to show all the users. Basically, it is going to show all the users. So it says to see all offerings for all the users, you need to click the X to clear the filter. So once you once you stop using the filter, once you cancel the filter, it would show the details of all the offerings for all the users. So it is very user friendly. So if you have been, once you get access to the Citrix Cloud Management Console in your environment, so you can navigate through these options to manage the subscribers. So you will get a request saying that, hey, can you please add the subscriber to this particular application? If you get a request like that, you need to fulfill those requests following this process. Okay, so this is what I would like to share in this particular video. I hope you find this information helpful. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Bye bye.